Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making rose water, and that's one portion. The second portion is going to be a rose mask. So rose water as well as its petals are very effective as a natural skin toner. Rose petals can also enhance the radiance of your skin manifolds. It will remove the accumulation of dead cells that makes your skin tanned and dull. It will help you get your original glowing back. All you need to do, the first thing I'm going to be making, which is the rose water. I've already been soaking my rose petals since last night, and I have them right here. See, I'm going to bring a strainer and strain this water, and then I'll put it in a bottle. It's been, in this water, warm water, since last night, so I have enough water available. So it was soaked overnight. So let me get my strainer. Strainer and my cup. This is my strainer right here, and I'm going to be straining it into this cup right here, and this will be your toner. I have more than enough. Okay, here we are. So, and this will be a beautiful toner. So you just need to put this in a bottle, and okay, see, I have the toner right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of it in my bottle. I have a small bottle. Now if I can find my bottle. So this is my bottle. It has a sprayer. So I'm just going to make sure that I put some. Let me get a small plate. And the plate's right here, so that I can pour some of it in the, I think I may need a funnel. I have a funnel, so I'm going to put the funnel. The funnel is a little too large, but it's not actually. I think I have a small one too. And not only that. Okay, so what I can do, I'm just going to put it inside this measuring cup. I'll pour some inside the measuring cup right here, so that will be easy for me to actually put it directly inside the bottle. This is my small bottle right here, so that it will not. Okay, this is perfect, and I have the right size. Okay, so I'll put the rest away. So this is my toner. So all you need to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of the toner. So the toner will be right here, just a little bit on my bowl right here. So you just dab your cotton wool in your toner and rub it on yourself, and this is perfect. Will make your skin glowing beautifully and remove dead cell, and you'll become a youth all over again. Okay, so the second part of this is the paste that I'm about to make, and the paste is useful for getting rid of acne, which is a big nightmare for people. So this will help in getting rid of acne. So in order to make it, I'll need my rose petals, the one that have been soaked already, and I'm going to put this away since I've already used it. So now I'm going to need a mortar right here that I will use to make a paste from the rose water I made. I mean rose petal that was already soaked. Okay, I have some leftover roses on the counter on this table right here that I can throw in actually to make my paste. So in order to make my paste, I really need my petal, my mortar. So I use my mortar to mash it. And you can also choose to blend it, but I'm just using my mortar to. Okay, so if you choose to make it fast and quick, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it. But you know, you can actually use this mortar also too. So I'm pouring my rose water, the leftover from my bottle. So I'm going to use this, and this is my bottle. So I'm going to go ahead. Thought I had a spoon right here before, so I'm going to have to get another spoon. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it. I think it's going to be quicker for me to do that. And you'll be able to use this to scrub your face at the end of it. So I'm going to put a little bit water, rose water, from my first solution. This is my second solution right here. So I'm going to put a little bit more of some of the roses I have left here. Okay, because the amount I'm about to make is the type that I'm going to be able to save for the future. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this. I'll be right back. I don't know if I have enough liquid in it. I think it is. I think it's fine. Okay, so I'm just going to use the same bowl that I was using earlier on with my petals. So I'll put the cream, the blended petals in this bowl. Okay, so now, okay, since I have quite a large quantity right there, I'm going to use a tablespoon of honey. I need a tablespoon of honey. This is about it, 1 tablespoon of honey. I may have to put a little bit more to make it a full tablespoon of honey. And I also need something else, which is my, where is it? Which is my Nirav powder, and it's also called fenugreek powder. So I'm going to need a tablespoon of fenugreek powder. This on its own will brighten your skin, will make your skin looking glowing, will actually give you a clear and light skin. Okay, it's very good for your skin. So I'm going to put a tablespoon. This is a tablespoon size right here. Okay, so you just want to now match everything, mix everything together. Okay, to make a paste. Sometimes you can use some other type of powder, beauty powders in it, or beauty, but in this case I'm just using the fenugreek. Okay, so now I have a beautiful paste, and the consistency is superb because I like my paste to be a little pasty. I don't like them to be watery, so you must put them, you must mix it together well so that this is perfect for you. You put this around your eyes, put it on your skin, rub it so well so that I may have to put, if you want, you can put a drop of vitamin E oil. Drop of vitamin E oil. The rose itself have oil in it that is very rich in antioxidant. So you can drop a drop of vitamin E oil to moisturize your skin while the rose petal paste. So this is my rose petal paste right here. Okay, so I'm gonna take a picture of my rose petal paste. If I can find my camera. So I want to take a picture of my paste. I am so happy and pleased with the outcome of the paste. So beautiful. So perfect. I'm so happy with it. So nice. Okay, so what you want to do is store this away in a tight container. So I have this small container here. That's where I'm going to store it in, and I will put it in the refrigerator. And this can last you for close to 2 weeks. You can use this for the next 2 weeks. I may have to use 2 different containers. That's full already. I need one more. So I need a small container now, so I can put it in a small one. This one right here. And the rest I'm going to use on my skin. I'm going to rub on my face. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with others. This is a very good solution for your skin, and it will work with any skin type since it's flower, except if you are allergic to flower. So once you make this rose petal mixture, now you can apply it to your skin. Leave it on your skin for 10 minutes. After this 10 minutes, wash your face with lukewarm water, and you will notice considerable decrease in the redness of, you know, your pimples, your pimples, and you will see your skin looking radiant. And rose petals can also enhance the radiance of your skin, you know. So feel free to leave me a note if you have any question down below. Please also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be able to receive my future videos. This is all you need to do once you have all the paste made. Make sure you leave it on for long enough so that it can penetrate, the oil can penetrate into your skin. As you see, the rose itself has oil in it, and I'm applying it to my face right now. And it's so nice and soft, you know. So you work it up into your skin in upward motion. You know, you rub it in upward motion, and wash it and let it stay for 10 minutes, and then you wash it off. Okay, thank you for watching. subscribe to my channel. Not only subscribe, make sure you share the video with everyone. Let them benefit from this substance, from this product. Thank you.